Welcome everybody. Boy, it's just hard to explain, isn't it? How things have changed in the last couple of weeks. Well, my wife and I are doing just fine. As I think I've mentioned, she's a public school teacher, so she is now doing e-learning with 24 second graders, which has been a real challenge, but at the same time they've been having some fun and overcoming a lot of technical things, but they're getting there, and it's caused her to be very busy, and we've turned a spare room that's next to my study in our basement into her little virtual classroom. So we're working side by side, which has been a good thing. And then we come upstairs for lunch, and then at the end of the day come upstairs. We jokingly say that when we go downstairs we're going to work, we come upstairs we're coming home. So I'm upstairs in our kitchen right now, partially because she's involved in a Zoom meeting with her students downstairs right now. And we woke up to 6 inches of snow this morning. A lot of it's melted by the time I took this footage, but what a surprise. I'm reminded of C.S. Lewis's comment in the Chronicles of Narnia. It was always winter, but never Christmas. And boy, that seems like Colorado this year. And you'll notice behind me on the island is our Instant Pot, which we love. I gotta be honest, I've probably taken too much ownership of the Instant Pot. If you have one, you understand it. I describe it as a power tool for the kitchen that men like because it feels kind of like it was made by NASA. Anyways, Linda found some ham in the freezer, and we got a pork knuckle, and we turned it into a wonderful 15-bean ham and bean soup. And the secret, I believe, is the chili powder. So we're looking forward to having that, and it should be done this evening, and it'll be just a nice warm meal on a cold day. So let's take a moment and just talk about this coming week. Well, this is the semester none of us will ever forget. And for many of you, you're actually graduating, and boy, I'm sorry for all of the stress that this has caused, but know that you're going to do fine in this class. That's not even an issue, and we just want to be there to help you in any way possible. So really, for the remainder of our time together, I'm really hoping to accomplish a couple things. One is I'm hoping to have at least one, if not more than one, weekly Zoom meeting with as many of you as we can accommodate. We might need to stagger the times if some of you can't make one time or the other, and I will record them. But just the idea to connect and bring some positive closure to this whole episode we've been through. The second thing is you're going to begin to start working on your final essay. It's a 6 to 8 page paper. It's not real long, double spaced, of course, and all that. The focus of it is really, and it can be first person, is your journey through the Lominger competency skills that we talked a lot about at the beginning of the course in relationship to your practicum. Now, a little bit about that. Several of you have contacted me because with the lockdown and the pandemic and all, you literally can no longer do your practicum. That's okay. Don't worry about the hours that did get done or didn't get done. That's all a wash. We're counting everybody full credit on that. It's not even an issue. Just do your best with what you did do. And similarly to that, at the end of the semester, you can turn in your journal articles. I'm hoping for 10 to 12 single page, double spaced of course, journal entries throughout the semester. You can navigate that however you need to. Don't worry about it, but you can upload those as well at the end. And everybody's going to get a great grade in the class. And it's not a gimme. It's really us trying to come alongside you in these remarkable times and just make sure you guys are okay and that we get through this semester and you all graduate and everything's just going to be okay. So praying for you guys. The Lord bless you all, and I look forward to seeing you this week in our discussion thread.